You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this name, famously the name of the French sculptor and painter who created the Statue of Liberty? So he was from France. In French it is said as Bartholdi, okay, Bartholdi. In French, TH is just like a normal T. The H is pretty much always silent in French. So Bartholdi, Bartholdi. So in English you could say it as Bartholdi. You don't have to pronounce the TH. Bartholdi, no. Bartholdi or Bartholdi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.